How to make QR code with logo. I will show you best way to do that for free. If you don't have logo, that's not a problem. I will show you how to make a logo for free as well. There are a lot of solutions that says that they are free, but in reality they are not. You are spending your time to make a design, and at the end of the process they will ask you to pay for some subscription. In this video I will show you the whole process, and all tools I am using in this video will be for free. How to make QR code with logo. I will show you on the example of one of the applications I have. On the left side you can see text version of this video. You can go to my website boris.expert and you can take a look at all information I have over here. So to put logo in the middle of the QR code, I'm using application QR Magic. It's absolutely free. Here you can click logo and click plus button. Logo is supposed to be uploaded on your device already, and click choose. After you choose the logo in the gallery, you will see it in this list. Before put logo, you can choose another background. For example, you can use this one. After that you can share it and print it. But what if you want to put your logo as a background for your QR code? You can go to the background section, click plus button and choose your logo. It's supposed to be 800 to 800 dimension. After you choose it from this list, it will be applied as a background in your QR code. Beside that, you can put something in the middle. For example, scan me. You can add some text as well. And call to action. With help of this application, you can change and choose font as you want. I like this one. If you don't like black, you can choose color as well. You can add your own color, or you can pick something from existing. I like regular black. That's it. After that you can share it and print it. As I said in the beginning of this video, if you don't have your logo, you can do it by yourself. So to make a logo for free, I'm using Canva. If you go on my website and go on this section, you will see step-by-step instruction how to do that. You need to go to the Google and search for Canva create a logo. Go here and that's it. And here you can create a logo for free, and it's really free. You can play with it and download the result. As a conclusion, I would say that QR code is a fantastic tool for your business. It's fantastic even for your personal use. For example, you can print a QR code with your Wi-Fi information, and when your guest comes, they will just scan it and connect to your home Wi-Fi. It's such a cool thing and it's absolutely free. So why don't you use it? If you use it for your business, you can easily make it so beautiful and eye-catchy, so your customers will be excited to scan it or even to share with their friends. In this video you figured out how to make logo and put it in the middle of the QR code for free. And I'm trying to help people to find the best IT solution for them. I have about 15 years experience in IT and I know how to find the best solution. If you want to get more useful information and support me, put like on this video. If you have any more questions, you can find me on the Facebook or in the links below. Subscribe to this channel right now to save your time and money.